Welcome to the CCNA CyberOps Technology course for SECOPS 210-255. My name is Andrew Krauthamel. I've been in IT for over 12 years now. I've held positions within IT all the way from help desk analyst up through senior network engineer. I also am a Cisco instructor and happen to work in a larger organization that actually has a security operations center. So I hope to bring some of that information to you from what I've experienced. Some of the prerequisites for this course include the prior course, the SecFund 210-250. Either you have the exam complete already or you've watched through the video series. The SecFund course includes a lot of information. They pack in a ton of stuff there. So we use that as a basis in order to build upon in the SecOps course. So please take the time to go through that material first. You'll also want to have a basic understanding of technology. You do not have to have other certifications or be in IT for a long time, but please have an understanding of workstations and servers and networking and just a general idea as to how things connect and work together. If you've gone through the prior course, then you should already have a lot of that fundamentals already. And of course, since this is a security course, hopefully you have an interest in security. As I mentioned in the prior course, security is such a huge thing nowadays. All of our systems are being locked down and encrypted, and we have to have very long passwords with two-factor authentication and all sorts of things nowadays. There's a lot of stuff in the news of hacks from different organizations and data loss. So I certainly hope that security is an interest to you. As I mentioned in the prior course, the CCNA CyberOps exam does not have any prerequisites. So there's two courses and two exams that comprise it, the SecFund 210-250 and the SecOps 210-255. Those two exams combined comprise the CCNA CyberOps certification. In this SecOps course, we build upon some of the fundamentals that we've learned in the SecFund course. And that includes information on threat analysis. Now that we understand how devices connect to each other and some of the data we can pull from them, how do we analyze the threats that are coming in and the data that we're seeing? How do we retrieve data from systems, whether it's phones or desktops or laptops or whatever they may be, in order to do some sort of evidence collection for forensics requirements? We'll move into intrusion analysis, an introduction on how intrusions occur and how detection systems can go about observing them and allowing us to analyze that. We'll discuss NetFlow and IPFIX. NetFlow and IPFIX being the data on the connections that are occurring within your network. We'll discuss incident response and how organizations structure themselves to ensure that they have a proper response plan. We'll discuss what response teams are out there, both from an organization and national level. We'll also discuss compliance requirements such as PCI and HIPAA and SOX. We'll move into profiling, making sure you have an idea as to what you actually have on your network and what systems you have. We'll also discuss data analysis in regards to security logs and such. And finally, we will learn how to categorize and describe security incidents, especially in relation to reporting it to upper management or the public.